Video of the Terex 760 running. Starts right up. Here we go. Using it this morning to haul some heavy metal that I can't pick up. So, hope this helps.